Hi, I'm Jason Heath with Eastman Strings, and I'm going to show you the bass today. So the bass is similar in some ways to the cello, but it's a little bit different too. We either stand like I'm doing right now, or sit on a stool to play the bass, and it's a very low resonant instrument. Listen to my low note. That's my low E string. Now, basses come in all different sizes. They come in kid sizes, so you'll be able to find a size for you. This is an adult size. It's a 7/8 size bass. I'm going to play a few pieces for you today. The first is The Elephant from the Carnival of the Animals. It's written to feature the bass. Here's a little bit. You can hear the elephant moving along as you listen to that one. And now the next is something that I'm sure you know. It's the theme from Star Wars. So that gives you another character from the bass. And the last one I'm going to play is from another movie. This features the bass section. It's about a shark. It's called Jaws. So Jaws is really low, but the bass can also go up higher. We can go over to our top string, the G string. And we can even go higher than that. And on and on and on. So the bass is a very flexible instrument, and you don't just use the bow to play the bass. We also play plucked or pizzicato a lot. So we can use our finger and just pull the string. And we can use those nice long resonant notes to make up jazz lines. And again, that resonant sound, that big, full, rich sound, that's what makes the bass so special. We can also play other styles like slap bass. We can actually use our hand and lightly touch the strings like that. And another cool thing about the bass is because it's so big, we can get all these different sounds. We can get some bass percussion. We become our own drum section, and we can use our fingers to tap and play lines like this. So the bass can do all kinds of interesting things, and I know you're going to have a lot of fun with this very flexible and resonant instrument.